Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to talk about Docker Networking Mode None. You may be wondering why we need to use this particular mode. Definitely you will get answer of this question once you will finish this video. So let's start. We are going to start with the definition, and here we have definition. This driver disable all networking for the container, which can be useful for certain security use cases. Now, to understand this particular line, you have to understand default behavior of Docker when you are creating new container. What we are doing, we are going to the Docker host and we are going to create new container. Here we are using same image net that we have created from day one of our Docker networking. So right now, if I'm going to verify my Docker networking, I'm giving command docker network ls, and here we have default drivers. We have default bridge, we have host mode, and then this is a last one known as none. Now, whenever we are creating new container, and even if we are not specifying any networking option, it is going to attach our container with default bridge. Now, if your container is actually going to connect with the default bridge, it can communicate with another container. So what I am doing right now, I am going to create one container and I am not going to specify any networking option while I am creating this container. So I am giving command like docker it -- name. I am going to give name like C1. Here we are going to use image net and bin/bash. Docker run. I just forget to add run command. Okay. So yeah. So I just created container, and now if I'm going to give command if config, I will find out that here I got IP address as well, and I can communicate with the another container. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create another container. So first of all, I'm going to come out from this container, Control P, Control Q, and using same command, I'm going to create another container like C2. Now, if I'm giving command if config, I will find out 172.17.0.2 is the IP address of my container. Now, I am inside C2, and if I'm going to ping 172.17.0.2, it's pinging. It means by default, whenever you will create any container, it will connect with the default bridge. Let me use Control P, Control Q, and here I'm giving command docker inspect bridge, and now you will find out that our both containers are actually connected with the default bridge. Now I want to create completely isolated container. I don't want any networking feature inside this particular container because of the security reason. By default, when you are going to create container, it is having a networking components and it is always going to connect with the default bridge. So, how I can create isolated container?
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.